Hi everyone, welcome back to the Dream Cars, where we explore the most exciting, innovative, and jaw-dropping cars on the planet. Today, we're talking about a car that's not just pushing boundaries, it's redefining them. Meet the all-new 2026 Tesla, a sleek machine that blends cutting-edge technology, minimalist design, and mind-blowing performance into one unforgettable package. At first glance, the 2026 Tesla is unmistakably futuristic. Its ultra-smooth lines, flush door handles, and aerodynamic silhouette aren't just for show, they're the product of Tesla's relentless pursuit of efficiency. Every curve, every angle has been engineered to reduce drag and maximize range. And with a drag coefficient of just 0.19, this is one of the most aerodynamically advanced production cars ever built. The front end is clean and aggressive, with slim LED headlights that stretch seamlessly into the bodywork, giving it a piercing, focused look. And when you step around to the back, you'll notice the sleek light bar that spans the entire width, glowing with a subtle yet commanding presence. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. Step inside, and the interior feels like stepping into the future. Tesla's signature minimalist approach is taken to a new level here. A massive, floating 20-inch touchscreen dominates the dashboard, seamlessly controlling nearly every function of the car. Below it, you'll find no buttons, no clutter, just a clean expanse of sustainable materials, from vegan leather to recycled composites, making it as eco-friendly as it is luxurious. The seats, think sculpted, supportive, and unbelievably comfortable, with built-in massagers and climate controls for every passenger. And thanks to the redesigned platform, rear passengers now enjoy even more legroom, with a flat floor that makes the cabin feel airy and open. But of course, it's what's under the hood, or more accurately, under the floor, that makes this car a true dream machine. The 2026 Tesla is powered by Tesla's next-generation tri-motor Plaid Plus powertrain, delivering over 1,200 horsepower. 0 to 60, try 1.8 seconds. That's not just fast, that's hypercar territory. And with a top speed north of 220 miles per hour, this Tesla isn't playing catch-up with supercars. It's leading the race. In range anxiety, forget it. With a new solid-state battery pack, the 2026 Tesla boasts an EPA-estimated range of 620 miles on a single charge. That's enough to drive from Los Angeles to San Francisco and back, with miles to spare. And thanks to Tesla's new V5 superchargers, you can add 300 miles of range in just 10 minutes. Long road trips, no problem. Tesla has also doubled down on autonomous driving. The 2026 model introduces full self-driving 3.0, powered by Tesla's latest AI chip. With 12 cameras, 5 radar units, and 360-degree lidar integration, it's capable of navigating complex urban environments, highways, and even country roads with minimal driver input. And while regulations might still require you to keep your hands on the wheel, the car's doing most of the work for you. And it wouldn't be a Tesla without some fun features. The 2026 model includes a new immersive sound system with 30 speakers, complete with directional audio and built-in noise cancellation. There's also an updated gaming system powered by an onboard AMD Ryzen processor, capable of running AAA titles right from the dashboard. Road trip entertainment, covered. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The 2026 Tesla is equipped with next-gen crash structures, adaptive airbags, and active safety features that predict and prevent accidents before they happen. It's earned top marks in every crash test so far, and Tesla claims it's their safest car ever. But perhaps what's most impressive about the new Tesla is how seamlessly it blends technology, performance, and sustainability. It's not just a car for enthusiasts, it's a vision of what the future of mobility can look like. And with a starting price rumored to be around $110,000, it's surprisingly attainable for a car that delivers this level of innovation. So, is the 2026 Tesla the ultimate dream car? For those who crave speed, tech, luxury, and eco-consciousness all in one sleek package, it just might be. That's it for today's episode of the Dream Cars. What do you think of the new 2026 Tesla? Is it your dream car, or are you holding out for something else? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.